welcome back to my page. It's your girl JV. I'm here with a new fun video, and it's about a new company that I'm working with. So excited. I think you're going to absolutely love them. So let's just, get something out of the way real quick before we dive into the video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is JV. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I am a plus size content creator. I post beauty, lifestyle, fashion, plus size, anything, and I'm your girl. I'm posting about it. If you're not new here, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. I love each and every single one of you. If you're on IGTV, make sure you're following me and turn your bell on for notifications so you get notified anytime I post grade A content for y'all. And if you're on YouTube, smash that subscribe button and give me a big old like before you leave this page. All right, y'all, so let's just go ahead and dive right in. So y'all know I love beauty, I love makeup, and I am getting into the world of beauty. I'm trying to be a plus size beauty guru, lifestyle blogger, fashionista, plus size fashionista, and I'm just trying to do it all, y'all. But I absolutely love subscription boxes. Like, who doesn't? Absolutely love them. And guess what? I'm trying out a new one today, and I'm going to show you and give you my honest thoughts because I haven't even opened it yet. I saved this just for you. I wanted you to get my real reaction, see what I think about the products, and I have a bare face because I just got out of the shower, have my little skincare headband on. Let's see what goodies are in this subscription box. Are you ready to find out which one it is? It is Glossybox. I am partnered with Glossybox to bring you some amazing content, unboxing their subscription box for the month of January 2020 and showing y'all all the amazing goodies that are inside. So if you don't know what Glossybox is, it is a beauty subscription box. It is amazing. You get it every month. It's $21 a month, and obviously if you pay for like the full year, you're going to save some money. And so Glossybox is a subscription service, and you are going to get 5 deluxe size beauty products every month in your Glossybox. And not only does Glossybox have beauty, but they have hair and skincare products in this box. So we could get all kinds of goodies, but there will be 5 deluxe size goodies in your Glossybox every month. So I'm super excited to dive in and see what amazing products, either beauty, hair, or skincare products that I got for the month of January 2020. Thank you so much to Glossybox. They sent me this box for free. I could try it out and review it for all of you at home. So are you guys ready to dive right in? Because I'm ready to unbox this and show you guys what's inside. So let's open this up. Look how beautiful it is. OMG, I love it. I'm already obsessed. I love pink. But let me go ahead and take this out. All right, so inside the box that I just got, there was another beautiful pink box and 2 little sweet surprises. Looks like you have a $100 wine voucher and a HelloFresh little gift card that you can use. If you don't know what HelloFresh is, check them out. All right, and then what you guys are all waiting for, the Glossybox itself. Look how cute this box is. I love the aesthetic appeal. It's just very classy, very sleek, just very, very cute. Absolutely love it. It's super cute. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, y'all. So we gotta get the top off. OMG, okay, I love the inside of the box. Look at that, that is so cute. I'm gonna keep this box. OMG. Okay, I love this. First and foremost, I love that there is such like a special touch to it because I know other subscription services for different products and for different things. I've never seen them come like super nicely like packaged, really pretty with like a little bow. So I love that. I am getting just this really like classy feel from the Glossybox. So I am obsessed with that already. I love all of the little details. Let's go ahead and take the bow off and see what's inside. OMG. Oh gosh, guys, I'm so excited. All right, this is the view that I have. Let's start taking these products out one by one. All right, so the first product that was right on top were these Avant Hydra-Bright Collagen Eye Restoring Pads. So this is a skincare product. These little pads, I see them all online. I'm super excited to give these a go. So the first item that we got in the Glossybox for January 2020 is the Hydra-Bright Collagen Eye Restoring Patches. All right, and the next product is, I think it's called MUDMASKY. It is this little sleep repair renewal mask. So it looks like it's a nourishing mask. All right, so I'm super excited to try that. So that's another skincare product, absolutely love. And I've never tried this brand, so I'm super excited. I think it's MUDMASKY. I'm super excited to try this out. And I've also never tried Avant. So I'm really excited to try both these products out, both from brands that I haven't yet heard of. So I'm really, really excited because I love trying new products. So I'm really excited to get 2 new skincare products to try out. Okay, y'all, this big one here was calling my name, so I had to pull it out. Looks like it's from Kandi Cosmetics. Super excited to open it up. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is the Kandi Cosmetics Pre-Glow Up Mist. So it looks like you spray it before or after makeup, and you can even spray it on its own. So let's take this open. And I'm going to spray some on right now, and I want to see what the packaging looks like because I am a package queen. I love packaging, and I love it. If it's really cute and pretty, I love it. OMG, yes, okay. OMG. Look at that. That is beautiful. So it's like a setting spray, and OMG, okay, love. Looks like it's got a heavy-duty sprayer. Ooh, I'm going to spray some on right now, honey. Ooh, girl, I'm about to look glowy. Yes. All right, so this is Kandi Cosmetics. I love the way that it just, like, look at that. That is just beautiful. Yes. So Kandi Cosmetics, super excited to try them out. I love that it's a big product that's going to last you forever. And I love the, like, sparkle and shine that's in that. That is just beautiful. So excited to add this to my setting spray drawer and my collection of setting sprays that I love. OMG, guys, I will definitely tell you how this works on to skin with makeup, but for right now, it made me feel really refreshed. Doesn't feel sticky or anything. Super light, and I just love that I feel like a glowy queen. So yes, honey, I'm living for that. All right, y'all, the next item is this cute little, I want to say it's BYBI. It's BYBI. By BYBI. I hope I'm not pronouncing that wrong, but if I am, it's super cute. It's BYBI. I'll make sure to link everything down below so you guys can click it and go subscribe to Glossybox for yourself. But this is a facial oil. It's the Strawberry Booster Facial Oil. It is 100% cold pressed strawberry seed oil. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Ooh, we love a tropical vibe. Yes, I love beaches. I love tropical. I'm obsessed. So yes, this is getting me really hyped for summer 2020, honey. All right, so let's pull this out and see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it gets cuter by the minute. OMG, yes, I love this. Look at that pink, girl, it matches. Like, yes, honey, it matches. Now I gotta fix my hair. Like, girl, it matches right now. OMG, yes. So look at that, it's a little facial oil. I love the aesthetic that is very all right, so let's open her up. Look at that. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and put some on now. It's a facial oil, so it helps hydrate your skin. And I have dry skin, so I can never be too hydrated. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. This is making my skin so smooth. I feel like a glowy queen. Yes, I'm living for all these products in the Glossybox. January 2020 Glossybox, y'all. OMG, I love the way this is going on. It feels so nice, making my skin just feel really, really nice. I love it, and I love the packaging. So super excited for this. This will go so cute in my little skincare area on my vanity. Love this. So super excited to try out yet another brand that I had never heard of. Super exciting. And their facial oil, it's a Strawberry Booster Facial Oil, and it feels amazing. So I am obsessed, and I just love this. It's so cute. All right, y'all, the next one is a lip product. Look at this Tree Hut lip scrub, y'all. OMG, I love it. It's called Tree Hut Sugar Lips. Super cute. Look how cute that is. I love it. It's a glass packaging, super cute, and it is brown sugar. It's a brown sugar lip scrub. Let's open it up and just put some on right now so I can give you my honest first impressions. Oh my goodness. This smells amazing. Oh, okay, and I love the way it feels. So there we go. Let's put some on. OMG. Girl, I got kind of a lot, I'm not gonna lie. So we're just gonna rub my lips together. Okay, tastes yummy too. That is something I look for Before I ever use a lip mask, I didn't know that taste and the flavor and the scent is very important, because if you do not like the taste or you don't like that specific like flavor or whatever, you probably aren't gonna love it. But the brown sugar, it tastes good, smells good. My lips are like super smooth now. Just gonna finish rubbing that together. Oh yes. Okay, I'm feeling very, very, very pampered, all right? Loving the Tree Hut Sugar Lips Brown Sugar Lip Scrub. I can't, it smells so good. It honestly, it smells so good, and it definitely has that like fall / winter vibe. I'm loving the brown sugar. It smells absolutely amazing. I wish that I could make my whole house smell like this, because it is, oh my gosh, this is gonna be addicting. I'm gonna make sure to leave this one out so I can use it probably again tonight, just because it's so good. And look at my lips, y'all. My lips are never this smooth, so I am like, yes, this product works amazing. And I have a 6th product in my box. Super exciting. It is a velvet scrunchie. Look at that, OMG. So I think you pronounce the brand name Purelei or Purelei, and this is a velvet scrunchie. OMG, I'm super excited. Like, I love scrunchies. I love that they're like back in trend, and a velvet scrunchie that can go with like anything, and this is black, so this can literally match with so many different things. I honestly might put it in my hair right now, because I am just like so excited, and I want to show you how amazing all of these products are. So I'm just gonna put it in my hair right now. Thank you so much, Glossybox. These are amazing products. I'm obsessed. I highly recommend Glossybox. I am going to have to get a subscription every month now, because I am obsessed with all of the products that came in here, and I love their new brands, and I get to try out new brands, and Glossybox does all the work. They put them all together, they curate this amazing subscription box, and they send it right to your door, so you don't have to, like, if you want to branch out and try new products, they basically do the hard work for you. I love that. All right, so now you can see I have my scrunchie in. I am so impressed with Glossybox. I am excited. I think you guys should definitely sign up, and I have a code for you. If you use code JAE, you're gonna save 22% on Glossybox. So use my code J. I'm gonna include a link in my Instagram story, so make sure you head to my Instagram and follow me at BYBI Productions. That way you can swipe up, use code J to save 22% off, and you are all set. Glossybox is amazing. Huge shout out to Glossybox for partnering with me and graciously gifting me my January 2020 Glossybox subscription box. I am obsessed, not even low-key, I am high-key obsessed with all of the amazing products that were in my Glossybox. So I am ecstatic that I found a new subscription box that is amazing. Literally amazing. $21 a month, and if you use my code J, you're gonna get 22% off. So check my Instagram story and check the links down there, so you can use my link and save you some money, honey. That is what we always want to do. Well, I hope you guys have loved this unboxing of Glossybox January 2020. I hope you've loved this video, and please, before you leave, give me a big old like, hit that notification bell so you make sure to stay notified, and follow me at BYBI Productions on Instagram and all my social medias if you're not already. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye guys, love you so much.